Meeting the requirements in the marketplace means being able to introduce innovations to address new challenges. The name murrplastik has been linked to fundamental German qualities like ingenuity and reliability for decades. What started in a garage in 1963 has developed into a global medium-sized enterprise with 700 employees. Global operations, flexible, innovative and efficient. These are not just clichés for us. Thanks to the high degree of vertical integration, versatile manufacturing expertise at several locations, and synergies across the portfolio of companies, we can offer our customers attractive and rapid solutions. Rapid change in industry calls for new strategies. Contrary to the general trend, murrplastik has been relying on the creation of value within the company for years. In the automotive sector and automation technology, murrplastik is a reliable partner in many sectors of industry. Recognizing technological trends and pursuing them with expertise and passion are our strengths. Our large portfolio of solutions distinguishes us from our competition. Murrplastik has all key technologies to manufacture our products in-house. In the field of medical engineering, we develop and manufacture innovative products. Our recipe for success consists of innovation, highly skilled employees, focused approach to manufacturing, and of course, consistent customer support. Our in-house expertise is the basis for developing customized products. A new age of industrial production has started. We are rising to this challenge at murrplastik. Murrplastik is in an excellent position. We are approaching the future with a sense of confidence. A company that is managed by its owner and maintains the values of a family business. That sums up murrplastik.